Okay, today is fucking December 26th. It's fucking snowing like crazy. As you can see, I'm just out to the store to get some paper so I can smoke some weed, but the fucking store is closed. Fuck me now. We have to go somewhere else, I guess. But as you can see, it's all fucking dark. Snow keeps falling. As you can see right now, it's just, you can't really see far because the snow is it's too whatever. Mucha pinche nieve. 26 de diciembre, la primera tormenta de nieve de todo el invierno. Para toda la bandota en México, toda la pinche bandota en New York. Está nevando de a madres. Y hay dos locos que andan cotorreándosela. Y no sé, parece que mi cámara está un poquito sucia. Creo que ya la dañamos. I think it look a little better now. Oh, too much focus, no. Let's see Rafi. Let's see that motherfucker right there. Those two bastards right there. It's fucking snowing like crazy. You got papers? You got papers? ¿Tienes papeles? No. I'll be back. I'll be back. So yeah, we seguimos yendo en búsqueda de los putos papeles. Está treehouse, casa. Está fucking Rafi throwing snowballs at me. And right now, oh, there's little sticks. Places I work and I used to work. My fucking friend is trying to beat the shit out of me right now with snowballs. Pero, fuck it. Vamos a ver si está abierto el otro punto de línea. Okay. Look. So fucked up. Wait. It's bad. Really bad. Look at this shit. How fucking deep. I know it's snowing right now. As you can see, big fucking hole. But yeah, we keep going. This usually takes like 1 minute walk, and it's been like 3 minutes already. So yeah, shit is crazy in New York. I just love New York. I don't care. It gets really hot in fucking summer, and it gets too fucking cold in the winter. And fuck it, I just love New York. I don't care what the weather conditions are. I'm en Nueva York. He vivido muchos años aquí. Estos son como se pone en el invierno. Pero yo creo que como la mayoría de la gente que vive aquí loves New York, just like I do. Look, this is the old St. Vincent's Hospital, and as you can see, there's cars coming, but you can't really see shit. People walking, just really dance. Piece of place right here. I just love it. I don't care how cold it is. Oh look, see the green light. That's where you're gonna get the paper right now. Look at this poor doggy. Look at this poor doggy. How you doing, buddy? Got nobody. Oh my god, it's still snowing like a motherfucker. People don't care. I guess people's used to this kind of life and weather conditions and shit. Oh, there is why FDNY. Here we are. We're gonna get the papers right now so we can smoke some mota. ¿Qué huele, carnalito? Ahí está Capuleto o Capulina, quien quieran. Va para YouTube. Dame algo para fumar mota.
No hay,
No me digas eso.
solo perico.
Dame algo para hueler.
Perico.
Algo que apendeje y que no sea un madrazo, güey. Ah.
Saludos a Moreno.
Saludos aquí a homie.
¿Cómo?
Oh, homo o homie?
¿Cómo?
Okay, whatever. So, yeah.